Hi Zulily fans, I'm Angela, editorial stylist here at Zulily and self-proclaimed resident home baker. I'm here to show you a quick tutorial on how to use Cuisinart ice cream maker to personalize some homemade ice cream cookie sandwiches. So to start off, I'm just going to show you a really basic vanilla ice cream recipe that Cuisinart themselves really likes to promote. So what you want to do is mix 2 cups of heavy cream into a big bowl with 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, just a pinch of salt, nothing crazy. And you can use ice cream salt, but you can also just use table salt. It doesn't really matter for this process. And then you're going to finish it off with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I like to add some vanilla bean to my recipes just to get that really, really nice grainy vanilla bean look. But today we're going to go super simple. So what you want to do before you put it into the Cuisinart ice cream maker is make sure that all of the ingredients are mixed together. And you can use a spatula, you can use a whisk. It will mix together with kind of no matter what you use. But you don't want to use anything too high powered because you don't want to accidentally whip up the whipping cream and you don't really want to mess. So what you want to do is after you've mixed everything together, you want to refrigerate for at least an hour. Cuisinart recommends to do this, but for the sake of showing you how to do the process as a whole, I'm just going to pour it straight into the mixer. So you just pour it straight in the top. Try not to spill. I am very surprised and happily so that I didn't get that everywhere. So, and as easy as that, you just turn it on and you let it mix, and then after it's done, you'll want to refrigerate again, freeze again for a harder consistency if that's what you're looking for, and if not, you're welcome to eat it right after it's done. So once that's finished, I will have really great vanilla ice cream, but I want to show you how to use different flavors and toppings to make all of these favorite treats into different ice cream sandwiches. So today I've made a Funfetti ice cream cookie sandwich using Funfetti sugar cookies and vanilla ice cream and sprinkles. I've also made mocha ice cream sandwiches with a chocolate chip cookie, espresso ice cream, and mini chocolate chips mixed with just a dash of instant espresso. And then I've also made your favorite peanut butter cup version with a chocolate cookie with a peanut butter ice cream rolled in really great crushed nuts. So today I'm going to show you how to do our mocha ice cream cookie. And one of my big tips that I like to do is when I finish making my ice cream in my Cuisinart ice cream maker, I like to use old ice cream cartons from past whatever and pour it all in there so that when it freezes, you can actually cut them. And I'm not going to show you today because that's very messy, but you can cut them and have these pre-made little ice cream squares. So what I do is make sure that this stays on while you're forming the cookie, but you go in, grab 2 cookies that are similar in size, and you just put one on top of the other. So today, I'm just gonna do this just to save time. Flip it over, try not to get everything everywhere, but honestly, we're gonna eat it all anyways, so who cares? And then sandwich the cookie together. And then squeeze a little bit, and you can use a spoon or whatever just to clean up the edges if you want to. You don't really have to. It's just a preference. So then what you're going to do, actually that's for the other peanut butter cup one, but what I did is mixed a little bit of instant espresso in with these mini chocolate chips for that little extra kick, and then you just roll it directly in the mixture. And look at all those toppings already securing to the sides of the cookie. So what you might want to do is refrigerate or freeze the cookie just a little bit before you do this so it doesn't get chocolate chips everywhere or ice cream everywhere. But honestly, who cares? You're going to eat it right away anyways. So there you have it. my homemade mocha ice cream sandwich with all of the chocolatey goodness. And be sure to check back in for more videos and how-tos on all of our Zulily platforms. Have a good day, Facebook fans.